Now we'll start ServiceNow Administrator Fundamental Lab X. So come to here and click on View. Then click on Start. See guys, ServiceNow Administrator Fundamental Lab X. Once we completed this entire course, the this course level is the very beginner and total is the 10 hours 18 minutes is needed to complete this entire lab. So what you can get here: ServiceNow catalog, platform analytic experience, workflow studio, ServiceNow AI platform, instant management, everything whatever is covering, that all things you can earn here. So achievement, once we completed this entire lab, we can get this 618 plus points. Then click on start, enroll in course. Click on enroll. Okay, fine. These all are the module guys. Module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our total 8 modules. In 8 modules, we have the lessons also. In module 9, we have the line 9 lessons. In module 2, we have the 3 lessons like this. Then now click on open simulation. Then once we click that, we can directly open with that one PDI means personal developer instance will open. It is creating the task, guys. So after 7 days and 5 hours, this instant will be expired. So you need to complete this entire task in 7 days. Okay. So this is the ServiceNow ServiceNow Administrator Lab, guys. So this is the dashboard, and here we'll create that task and lessons and everything. See here first. Welcome to ServiceNow Administrator Fundamental Lab X. So I am your AI learning guide and I am here to support you as you work throughout each task. Think of me as your coach. So you will begin with the module 1, that is the instant management and the application access. Ready to dive in? So click on the start working. So click on start working. Now it will create the one task for us. See here, task is creating module 1 instant management and the application management. So this is lab 1.2.1, set up the HR users. So this is the scenario. You are a ServiceNow administrator supporting the HR department, and your HR manager has requested that you create the two new user account of for member of the HR technical support team, Bob and John, and both will be providing the technical support for HR systems and need access to the ServiceNow platform. So this is the scenario, and this is the task objects. So we need to create the two new users in ServiceNow with this following information. So for this, so this is my ServiceNow Administrator Fundamental Lab account. So in this ServiceNow, this is our task, right? For that, go to the all here, click on users, user administration. First, go to the user administration. In this user administrator session, come to the users. In these user sessions, you will see here already created the lot of user accounts. See, these all are the already created users by ServiceNow itself. So now we want to create the new users. First we'll cross check whether Bob Job HR user ID is created or not. So we can search it by user ID. So not found. Or we'll check with a name also. First name Bob. So not found the any information related to Bob and John, right? So here click on new. See here new user account. So user ID. This is the user ID. Bob HR support is the user ID. So first name is the Bob and the last name HR support and department HR and remaining thing title password it's not provided, so I am leave it as it is or else. And email address bob@example.com, so email also provided. So language select English, category calendar integration select Outlook. These are the phone numbers. Password, if you want to give the password or password needs to reset, select. Then identity time is the human. So this all are the when we created the user account, we need to fill this entire information like title. He is that administrative assistant, CEO or CFO, director, IT technician. So giving the IT technician, then click on submit. So you'll see here Bob HR support is account is created. User ID is created. Now we'll create the John HR support. I same go to the new paste John HR support and department HR, email ID john@example.com and a- active checkbox is enabled. So this is the active checkbox. If if we disable this account account ID is the sorry user ID will create it, but account is disabled state. So if you want to enable the account for that need to enable this active button, then click on submit. So we'll cross check this Bob and John is created or not. See, John HR support is created and Bob HR support also created. And Bob HR support two user IDs are created. Then after creating the both users, verify this appears in the users list or not. So to begin and navigate to all. So navigate to all, then go to the user administrators, then users and select new. So, so here user ID, then Bob is created, then John A is both are created. Now click on validate the task. We created the both user accounts, right? Now click on validate task. We'll see what happened. See guys, great job. You have successfully completed this task. So you can also create this users, or if you want to explore more thing in create the more user IDs also. In this next video, we'll complete the task 2. Create the HR favorite.